All right, welcome to the channel. It's a nice February day. As you can see, got a lot of snow here since the last time I've been on. It's a nice 20 something degrees, 24 degrees right now. I'm getting ready to go do a walk, but I just wanted to say something. I got a few comments on one of my other videos, walking around outside wearing my hats and stuff, and somebody suggested that I should get a fleece lined hat to wear instead of just regular cotton hats. At the time, I already ordered two because I don't like how thick they are. I like the thinner ones but fleeced, so I don't like the ones that fold like I've been wearing on my videos. So anyway, I just want to show you a couple hats that I did pick up. I ordered online. If you're interested, links will be in the description below for each of the hats that I bought. I am an affiliate, so I will receive a small commission, but no extra charge to you. Same price, okay? The first hat I got, right here, let's see, nice winter hat. Lavazzi hats or whatever. I don't know how to say it. I got a nice. It's kind of like a blackish gray. It's got orange inside. It's got a little symbol there. You know if you can see. But fleece lined. You can wear it reversible if you want. You can wear it this way if you want, or you can wear it this way. Okay. Nice fleece. This is hand wash only. Okay. And they had a few other colors. Limited. I don't know, maybe 8 colors, different colors. All right. What do you think? Covers up my ears. It's lighter, it's thinner, it's not as thick. I think I'll wear this one a lot. This is what it looks like. All right. Then I could also flip it around and wear it this way. Let's see. Here, if I want. What do you think? Yeah? All right. Like I said, I don't know how to say it. I don't know if you can see it. Levi's hats. I like that one. That'll probably be my main one. All right, I got this other one. It's a little different type of a beanie. A bog fly. All right, this is more one of those loose floppy ones, the top flops back. I don't know. I got this one in black and gray. It's all like checkered. This is pretty cool. All checkered, patches. Looks pretty cool. This is fleece lined, but it's more fuzzy fleece lined. Okay. Furry inside. All right. This is cotton also, but put this one on, see how it's more floppy, and just flop it back there. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know if this one's me or not. We'll see. Kind of like the other beanie better. With this one though, they had lots of colors, lots of different colors. So it's pretty warm though. I like it. Yeah. I don't know. I have to see what it looks like. But anyway, I just wanted to show you a couple hats, a couple beanies that I bought for winter. So, because I do a lot of walking and stuff, which I'm going to be getting ready to go on a walk now. It's a nice day. It's not too breezy, so I'll go out on my walk. Like I said, if any of this interests you, the links will be in the description below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in the things I, put out there in videos and stuff, check out this next video right up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. Peace.